Have you ever filmed a video with your smartphone only to play it back and to listen to it going, oh my god, it sounds crap? Well, you wouldn't be alone, because for the most part, whilst these are pretty good cameras, they're not professional cameras and they certainly don't come with professional microphones. But there is a solution that can make things quite substantially better, and that comes in the form of a Boya By7H. It only costs about £20, and you clip it into the side of your phone, into the headphone socket just here. So that will just clip onto the edge of a smartphone. That's going to give you much better sound. It's not perfect for every situation, but if you just want to boost your audio and get better sound when you're recording smartphone videos, this is dead simple. You can find a link on where to buy the Boya, along with 1 or 2 other microphone recommendations, in my free downloadable guide at remotevideoteam.com/geek. And I'll see you in the next video.